I'm going to cover the back of our project with some resin tape. This is a really important step that a lot of people skip, but it can save you so much frustration. This tape protects the back of the plaque in case any resin spills over the edges when I'm pouring. Without this tape, if resin drips over the edge, it will stick to the back and create a rough, uneven surface. Then you'd have to sand it off, which is a pain. But with this resin tape on the back, any drips will stick to the tape instead, and you can just peel the tape off when it's cured. I'm applying the tape to the entire back surface and smoothing it down carefully to make sure there are no air bubbles or wrinkles. Now here's the important part. I need to trim this tape around the edges of the project. I'm carefully cutting around the perimeter, following the shape of the plaque. You want the tape to cover the back completely, but not extend past the edges. After I trim, I'm using an emery board, yes, a nail file, to go around the edge and smooth out any rough spots or uneven areas where I trimmed the tape.